global warming is rapidly changing the abundance and distribution of many marine species. And this video tutorial will guide us in the application of a protocol of visual census, which is aimed to monitor the effects of temperature on a number of coastal fish species which are easy to recognize and which can be considered as appropriate indicator of climate change.
Transects are performed by trained divers, able to recognize and to count fish species underwater. Data are collected through an underwater board. Before the dive, we will honestly assess our ability to recognize the target species: average, good, very good. We will also indicate the protection level of our dive site, outside the marine protected area, partial or integral. 9 target species will be counted: dusky grouper, Mediterranean rainbow wrasse, ornate wrasse, Mediterranean parrotfish, painted coma, salima, rabbitfishes, blue-spotted cornetfish.
We might consider also that marine protected areas have the possibility to include other species which can be identified on the basis of local needs of research and monitoring. For a maximum of 4, for example, we can add another species, the Mediterranean barracuda.
Be sure to have an underwater watch with you. Censuses will be performed in correspondence of permanent locations and over rocky bottoms with a moderate slope, preferably without or with few seagrass. Firstly, we choose a depth range, for example, 11 to 20 meters. Then, we start counting the fish, taking note of the start run time. Transects are performed at a very slow speed, at 10 meters per minute for 5 minutes. We will record the number of target fish observed in an ideal transect 50 meters long and 5 meters wide. Do not count individuals smaller than 2 centimeters. When the first transect is completed, take a note of the end run time. At this point, you will perform a second census, remaining at the same depth layer. Just move a little bit forward and start counting the fish for another 5 minutes. After the diving, during the debriefing, the staff of marine protected areas or your diving instructor will check and validate your counts. These data will be finally copied on your logbook and uploaded to the system with a computer or a tablet.
So the data that you will collect will be employed to build time series and to monitor the effects of temperature in different areas of the Mediterranean Sea. So thank you very much for collaborating and have a nice and safe underwater visual census.